please rise for the flag salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
I told you I could do 100 push-ups, Wafa. I showed you.
You know you did like 3 push-ups, right?
Whatever. I'm Yoav.
And I'm Yoav LHS, so wait, let's get into your announcements. The LHS students, if you're currently having your own personal locks on your hallway locker, it will need to be removed and all contents must be cleaned out before the last day of schools. Senior June 21st and underclassmen June 22nd. Any locks left on the lockers over the summer will be cut off and the locker contents will be thrown away.
The Eastern European Club will be holding a meeting today right after school in room A114. For any questions, please email Valerie Jennis.
There will be a meeting for any students taking AP Lang or AP Lit next year tomorrow during lunch time in the auditorium to discuss summer reading assignments. AP Lang will be starting at 9:40 and AP Lit will start at 10. Any questions, please email Miss Roger.
Studio Art Club will be having its last meeting today from 2:45 to 3:45 in room A211. We will be having a small student showcase. All are welcome to join. You can reach out to Mrs. Schwartz if you have any questions.
Attention 2023 to 2024 AP Bio students, you must pick up your textbook and summer assignment before or after school tomorrow or Thursday. Please see Miss Muirhead or Miss Reyes in S11.
HOSA will be holding an end-of-the-year meeting in S14 tomorrow.
There will be a sign-up meeting for girls tennis candidates today after school at 2:50 in room S23.
The final Chinese Honor Society meeting will be held tomorrow after school in room A117. We will be introducing the new board members. You know, sometimes you just gotta stop and smell the roses.
Or go watch an On a Loose. Let's check it out.
Hi LHS, I'm Wafa, and today we're asking, what are your cheesiest pickup lines? Let's do it.
We're here with Carly, Brooke, and Maddie.
Caitlin Hernandez. Softball star Caitlin Hernandez.
Ryan.
Jordan, Gianna, Christine,
Devin Ross.
and Alexa.
And what is your guys' cheesiest pickup line?
Are you from Tennessee? Because you're only in Tennessee. I think I messed that up. Are you Wi-Fi? Because I'm feeling a connection.
Okay, Queen Elizabeth.
Are you from Tennessee? Because you're the only 10 I see.
Okay, Mike Rozowski.
Shout out to Sophia Mount. Her au pair taught me this.
Jaden.
Are you from Tennessee? Because you're the only 10 I see.
If I could rearrange the alphabet, I'd put you and I together.
Wow, you're a wizard, Alexa.
Did it hurt?
When?
When you fell from heaven?
Okay, Rizzy Elliott.
Wait, I didn't finish the pick.
Boy, those were some interesting lines said by some interesting people. But let's get right back into those announcements.
The People Helping People Club teamed up with Green Bins. We will be collecting school supplies from next Monday through Wednesday, June 12th to June 14th. There will be a box outside the main office for students to drop off school supplies. The school supplies will be donated to various charities helping children in need.
Hey Archers, past and present, we will have our final meeting of the year on Tuesday, June 13th. T-shirts and medals will be awarded to those who have competed at select tournaments during the season. For all other club members, there will be a final shooting opportunity for you. Everyone is welcome to attend and support us. Please come and see what high school archery is all about. Current members refer to the Remind for further details and spread the word to your friends.
ASE, the Alliance of Student Equity, will be holding its last meeting of the school year tomorrow at 2:45 p.m. in the auditorium. All students are welcome to attend, even if you have not attended previous meetings. Come join us and see what we are all about and how to get involved. If you have any questions, contact Mr. Krumholtz.
LHS Cricket Club will be meeting tomorrow in A123 after school. Everyone is welcome to join us. Please contact Mrs. Rosenberg with any questions.
The Chess Club will be meeting in A217 after school tomorrow. We are looking forward to seeing you there.
Join the PB&J Club on Thursday, June 8th after school in the cafeteria to make sandwiches for a local food pantry. Email Jamie Levitt with any questions.
The French Club has a meeting today after school in A121. We will be doing custom henna designs, so feel free to bring your own simple templates. Email Jasmine Wang with any questions.
Oh my God, what is that? Is that Subway Surfers?
Oh my God, Jake, run faster!
Oh no, keep running, don't get caught.